folks, I got it put on this morning. It took less than an hour. Literally, I was only in there for about 30 minutes. Really good job. I'm really impressed with it. Covers the whole length of the bed, even overlaps the sides a little bit. So when it rains, the water will come down. Take another view here on the other side for you guys. Excuse the noise, I got cars passing by here. As you see, it kind of overlaps right here as well to keep the rain out. I mean, this is solid plastic. It's not fiberglass. I did not want fiberglass. I didn't want it to crack and spider crack. Then I have to have that repaired. I believe that solid plastic works much better. Also, it's lighter and it's more durable. Like, the guy told me I could literally stand on this and it wouldn't crack or break, but I don't want to do that. I don't know why I would do that. But let's go ahead and open up and show you guys. So it's pretty simple. It does come with the key to lock it. You flip this down and all you simply do is just lift. Of course, it has two hydraulic arms here. It either comes with a LED light, which, you know me, man, I love lights. And it comes with a lanyard right here to pull stuff towards me in case, I need to get a bag or something if it shot across the truck, if I slam my brakes, stuff like that, because stuff moves around the cars and trucks, I should say. But look at that. That thing lifts up. That thing's sweet. And I can get on through either side and grab my stuff. So that's just really excited, really happy. Lots of fun trucks. I just hit my head on the tree there. A lot of fun truck accessories actually in Cherryville on 41, just south of 30. Took care of this for me. They have a lot of things there for your trucks and parts and trailers, anything from snow plowing to salt. I mean, even boat trailers they'll repair for lights and stuff like that. They have everything there, so check it out. It's in Cherryville, Indiana, again, called Lots of Fun Truck Accessories on 41, just south of 30. Take another view here. Make sure I watch my head, I don't hit another tree. But B-Man is really happy and excited about the new cover. Now, the reason why I got this obviously is for keeping luggage and materials dry. And also, the number one reason is when you get a truck, people think you're a U-Haul. Hey, can you help me move? Well, you know what, folks? I can't do that anymore, I should say. I'm not going to help people move. I'll be like, sorry, my back is covered. The bed's covered. There's nothing I can do about it. So, you have to haul a U-Haul. I'll show you how it pulls down right here. Simple. Just latch this back down, or to the side, I should say, and voila. It's closed, shut, nice and sleek. And yep, pretty excited. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, give me some feedback, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.